this little beauty.
It's a lot of fucking work to do this shit, dude.
Yeah, baby. Alright, so real quick, if I show you all these pieces, flange, and this one has to be cut a little more to match up over here. Go right in there. You'll see from there I have a log manifold. Come on, wastegate.
How am I gonna cut that?
Gonna try to see if this thing fits the right way, you know what I mean? All the way through. See if it happens, you know? Oh yeah. Show everybody on YouTube today real quick how to set up this log manifold, custom manifold made, and my boy Marcos make it from Street Factory. Pretty welds if you could see it, and then thermal painted to keep the heat out. So first thing, let me show you wastegate, gasket, new turbo gasket. I'll show you an example of how to put this together real quick. So we'll leave this right here for now. Let's tighten this up. Turbo goes like this. Here's a turbo. Rev 9 TX 6062, so you guys can see. That's what it looks like. And the bolt that's under here is actually the annoying one, which you can go from the other side probably, and maybe it'll reach it, but usually what I like to do is just get this out of the way. Just remove the drain. Now from here, I made my own tool, size 17, to be able to reach here and sit here and tighten it all day. Okay, that one's about the most annoying bolt, you know, most annoyingest one. All the other ones will go in nice. See how this looks? Let's move on to the wastegate. Okay, wastegate goes like this. New gasket. Let me show you guys the other two manifolds that I have. The EMUSA, which is the one that we replicated, which I replicated, you see. Okay. Okay, and this is the other one that we made. But when I ordered this thing, they gave me the elongated 90 degree, which I didn't want. When we made this, we didn't mock up anything. We didn't have no car to put it in or anything. We just went by 8 inches from the firewall to the block, and it fit perfect. This one got a little bit of warp because my fault. You can see that this wastegate is in the middle. Okay. This wastegate is off to the sides, and you can see the size difference in volume. Okay, so this one's still good. I just got to get this flange decked, and that's it. Flange out. I gotta go to a machine shop, and you see this one? This one is so much smaller. We measured the diameter right here compared to this one, so this should make a little bit more power. But I love the I love the log manifolds. They're small, they're easy to install, and just take it all, put it all together in one piece. Wastegate, manifold and turbo, and it goes right in. That's it. Easy, yo. But there you go. And all these parts that I got to make this turbo and stuff like that was from Ace Race Parts. All right, just so you guys know. Okay, hope you enjoyed the information in the video.